Welcome to Engage. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use pre-designed templates for your email campaigns. So, we are going to click the Create New Campaign button on the right side in the Quick Access menu. This is the email creation page. For this example, we're going to scroll right to the bottom and click Open Email Builder. In the email builder, you will see a button at the top that says Template Gallery. If you don't see this button, let your digital account manager know. In it, you can see different folders with different topics: birthday, conditions, leave a review. Let's say you want to do a review generation email campaign. You see two different templates that you can utilize. Send a 5-star Google review or tell us how we did. You can use any of these that you want. I'm just going to double click. And now the builder has that email template for me to use. So all you will need to do is change out your logo, add in some links to review us, and add any more additional details and personal touches to this that you want. So that is how you can use a template.